Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another garage video. Haven't done one of these in a minute because we've been out doing car stuff in real life. Most of the building process and progress was in the wintertime when we finally got this place dialed in. And now it is time to kind of finish. I'm gonna say that F word, finish the garage. Again, we still have a couple things like switch plate covers and whatnot. But in the meantime, we're gonna unbox some decor because the only decor, I think it's decor, decorations I have in this garage are this, which is sweet, I love it. The metal R8 and then the Audi flag over here. So I've been putting up a couple things, like obviously we have the electric dartboard and then just like the old license plates and like Guinness. So a couple goodies here and there. We're gonna mount a TV in here. So I'm like, we need something else. What better than what we're unboxing today? Let me show you guys what this is. Ladies and gentlemen, we are unboxing this Light X Night light. And before I show you what it is, probably gonna go like over here. If we put a TV here, probably put it in that corner. Packaging's really good, so that's good. Good first sign. I'm using a insulation knife to open this. There are definitely better tools out there. The good news is you guys can skip this part right now. Oh, wow. So this is probably like to hold it up. It's pretty freaking heavy duty. It's like braided steel line. All right, big reveal what we got here. Let's check it out. Oh, baby. That is beautiful. This is freaking nice, dude. Like, look at the quality of this apparatus. Woo! Yeah. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of stuff in here. Cool. Oh, dude, we got a remote, sweet. So we have the RS light. This is quality too. I'm impressed so far. LED controller. This guy, and then the power. So I'm gonna get this kind of unwrapped and then find a spot. I'm thinking right here. And then this could probably go up. Oh, I bet I can tuck it. I bet I can tuck it right there and then down. I think we got a plan. Let's see, does it go in the bottom? Looks like it goes around to the back. Okay. For some reason, the time lapse stopped after 8 seconds. I think my storage was full. Oh well. We have the RS sign hung, and I'm just trying to negotiate this little guy here. It's not that big of a deal because it's clear, but it sticks out a bit against this gray background. So it is technically done. Again, made an absolute mess doing this, which is hilarious, but oh well. And at the moment, I do not have batteries for this guy. It's AAA batteries, but it does work. It has one mode, and that mode is bright. There we go, ladies and gents. It's so cool. I'll back up to show you guys the scale of this. Turn down my, woo! Yeah, that's dope. That looks like a garage, like it's supposed to be. That's beautiful. It looks like it's almost pulsating on my my phone camera, but it is not in real life. That's really weird. Maybe I'll change the frame rate. I don't know. I can't figure out my phone settings to change it, but it's not pulsating at all, obviously, like you see on the screen because it's LED. So it's gonna give that effect over the camera, but I can tell you right now, it is super still, like you'd be seeing it in a picture. That's so weird. Anyways, it is on the wall. It is perfect, looks cool. And I think when I want to turn the lights off, see what this looks like. Oh, whoops, I'm a little bit dumb. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. So now we see kind of the vibe with it darker. There, it's not showing any sort of flickering. So that's kind of what it looks like in real life. But that looks sweet, dude. Oh my God. My car is absolutely filthy right now, so I don't even want to show you guys that. But I do want to get some pictures of this in the background because right now we have this and then the metal sculpture art. I don't know. I think it kind of completes the look. I want to clean up a bit and get some final shots of this in the garage. It's so cool. That actually looks pretty good tucked underneath there. But yeah, this little guy, I don't know. Maybe, I know they make those little like cord hiders where you can paint them the same color as the wall just to hide the cords a little bit better. But in the meantime, we've got that all set up, looking amazing. Yeah, give me a second, I'm gonna clean up this mess. Here we are, all finished up, all cleaned up. Whoops, the actual cleaning supplies are still out. I am hot. It's like 90 degrees in here right now. I'm sweating, but everything is done. Everything's looking good. Like I said, the car is absolutely disgusting at the moment. The garage as a whole is looking pretty freaking good. It is looking more like a garage now than it did before when there was literally nothing in it. We've got the Blackstone, we've got golf clubs, the lawn stuff over there. And then I did add, I didn't film this, but these little storage racks. So this is mostly for the detailing stuff. Added two, I think these came in a 2-pack. I got these for Christmas from Jessica. So I'll throw them in the description where to get everything. But this one's super cool because it has like 5. Has 5, 5, 5, and 5. So like room for up to 20 things, which is super neat. So that's been an addition since we last filmed in here. Obviously the goodies up on the wall. This isn't really serving a purpose at the moment. So we might find a new home for that. I think with the TV right there, it's just gonna be absolutely money. So for the time being, I'd say we're kind of done with the garage decoration. All the big stuff like the flooring, the walls, and everything we literally did in the series has already been completed. So it feels like a big weight off the shoulders to finally be doing fun stuff like this. So that's pretty neat too. It's like finally coming together. See all our hard work kind of paying off. Oh, I told you guys I'm sweating. We have Woodward Dream Cruise coming up. So if you guys want to stick around, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Don't miss out on the future videos that we're doing on the channel. If you guys like cars, the S4, and then a few other car videos obviously down the road already planned. Dream Cruise, I'm not going to be at on Friday and Saturday, which I'm super bummed about, but we have tomorrow, which is always popping. So we'll be down there, find some content, find some cars to go film, and then we'll still make a video of it for you guys because you gotta give the boys what they want, you know what I'm saying? That'll wrap up kind of today's video. We did what we wanted to, getting the decorations hung up there. Again, Light X Night is where I got this. I didn't know what to expect because I feel like I've seen stuff like this and like advertisements like this before. So I was like, all right, let's give it a shot. And I think that speaks for itself. It's super cool, super impressive. So for just a little unit like that, I mean, link for this is gonna be in the description. Very impressed so far. So we'll see the long-term durability, see how long it lasts. I'm expecting it'll last a long time. LED stuff usually does. And this is like, I mean, pretty heavy duty controller. It's not like the stuff you get in your college dorm that like is $20, you know, if that makes sense. So yeah, thank you guys very much for watching the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button. I gotta wash this car. That'll be tomorrow's project though. Until next time, ladies and gents, we'll see ya.